guys, my name is Shuli and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I would be talking to you about this product that I recently received from a brand called PSafe. But before moving into the entire product and what it is and everything else, please go down and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. My Instagram handle is also linked down in the description box below for you. I put a lot of mini reviews and mini hauls and a lot of fun stuff on there, so don't forget to follow me on Instagram. And yeah, let's jump right in. So the product that I'm talking to you about is actually these reusable sanitary pads that PSafe sent to me a couple of days ago, and I haven't actually gotten a chance to use them yet because the day I received this, just 2 days before that my periods ended, so there's still a very long time before I can actually use them and let you know about my experiences with this. But for now, I'm going to share my first impressions with you and why I am actually very excited to try this product. So these are sanitary napkins. These retail for 499 rupees, and there are 3 regular pads which is 280 millimeters and 1 overnight pad which is 330 millimeters, plus 1 leak proof storage pouch. So this is what actually is in this little box worth 499 rupees. And there's a picture of what the actual product looks like, and then this says that you can utilize each pad for up to 12 months. Zero waste, soft fabric, odorless, breathable. And yeah, so why am I actually very excited to try this is because I have been dreading the idea of using sanitary napkins or pads in the longest, because it just generates so much waste. Using sanitary napkins and using pads is like generating so much waste, and we are at a time where I think we should be more aware about our surroundings. And like, the COVID-19 is just one pandemic because of a virus, but we are going into a very something even worse than this, with all the waste that we are creating, with all the water that we are wasting. So I would urge you to stop wasting water. If you're washing your hands, just don't keep the tap on for 20 seconds and don't do that, please. I mean, that's very stupid. I hear people say, but then they asked you to wash your hands for 20 seconds. No, you have to wash your hands for 20 seconds. The water doesn't have to run for 20 seconds. So just as soon as you wet your hands, just close the tap and then you wash it for 20 seconds. Don't unnecessarily waste water, please. It just bothers me so much. Secondly, waste. I am studying in America right now. Now I'm back in India. I'm back home for my summer vacations, but in America they create so much waste. They use so much plastic. So we are just going into another pandemic, which is not a virus, but it is going to kill us in worse ways imaginable. So to save ourselves from that, please reduce waste. And for me, I wanted to stop using sanitary napkins, but I couldn't find another alternative that would work well, because I tried using menstrual cups, but I was just too uncomfortable with it, or I just didn't know how to use it. I don't know, just the experience was very bad for me. I am going to try to give it another go to see if that works for me. But then in the meantime, I'm very excited about this. I'm just going to show you what is in this. So this is what, you can see, this is what is inside this, and let me just pull one right out for you. Okay, so this is what the actual product looks like. The wings have a button so that you can actually secure it around your panty very easily. Okay, oh, it's secure. Yep, it is quite secure that way. And this is a very soft cloth. Let me see if I can figure out what material is this. I can't. But anyway, this seems this seems soft and not irritating, because pads are actually very irritating. I get a lot of rashes in my inner thighs when I wear pads, also of the day when I'm outside, when I'm going to college, when I was in school. It used to be so disgusting and so uncomfortable most of the time. So I hope this gives some relief, because it's like a very soft microfibery material. This looks and feels comfortable, but then we'll get to know more the more we use it. So this is what the actual product looks like, and you can wash it utilize it up to 12 months, which is great. So one would work for 12 months. So even if you just remove two of these and alternate between them, like this would go on for pretty long. And I think that's great actually. I mean, that's pretty nice. It's just, I just have to figure out the way to wash this. So because this is again, like, if you don't wash this properly, it could actually inhibit a lot of infections. So all of those things I have to figure out with time. So yeah, but apart from that, there are 3 regular sized ones, and then this is the overnight one, which is like a little longer. Okay, I'll just compare sizes for you. So this is the regular one, and this is the overnight one. Like, it is longer, so it's great, because during the nights it's obviously you need more security. So that's great. That's very thoughtful of them. And it also comes with a little pouch if you want to carry one of these in your bag. So even that is great, you know, like if you want to store one or carry one. So I think this is a great, and it's also leak proof, as they say, so it won't spill or come out or dirty your bag if you have to do that. So I think that's very thoughtful. This looks very interesting to me. The instruction here says that you have to dry it in direct sunlight, ensure it is fully dry before storage, preferably wash it in cold water, which helps get rid of the stains. And yeah, it's pretty easy. It's not rocket science. Like, actually it took me a lot of time to get used to the menstrual cover. I still couldn't, but this doesn't look like it's too much of a rocket science. This looks very similar to the pads that we already use, and I'm very excited to give a go. If you need a follow-up video after a few months asking me about my experience using this, then comment down below, and I would definitely make another video for you in the coming few months. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will put a link to purchase these down in the description box below for you guys, and I'll see you in my next. Bye guys.